What's up guys, this is TechRover. In this quick tutorial video I just want to show you how you can create your Smurf or new account here on your Android device in Mobile Legends Bang Bang. The most important thing is about how you can create without losing data, and this video is about you don't need to uninstall the game from your Android device, you don't need to delete the game source from the Google servers, you don't need to lose your data. And this is my main account here on my Android device on level 30, and you can see I've gone on Mystic. Now time to show you how you can create your new Smurf account without losing data. You don't need to uninstall your game, you just have to go to the Play Store of your Android device and download one of the application I just want to show you now here. And this is the application, I talk about it and I installed, and once I install I just have to open, and once I open you will get this menu, this page. Just click on the continue and give allow for these requests, and we're gonna do one by one here on the video, and after that we will start our setup here on this application. And this is clone apps, so we can see the Mobile Legends over there. Just have to click on that and click on add, and once it has been added right there on this application, just click on to the Mobile Legend to open, but you just need to install one more application from the Play Store of your Android device. So let me show you the other one, but you will get directly on the application from that application. After that you just have to install it, and once you install, just close everything and go back to the application you install from the Play Store. This one, not this one. Just open it, and once you open, we're gonna wait for a few seconds. After that we will get our Mobile Legend. Just have to open the Mobile Legend here, just click on grant and give allow again. We're gonna do it all, and once we're done, just our Mobile Legend game will start here also. Now we will wait for a few seconds. After that we will see what will happen, and this is now updating the Mobile Legend here on this application, and it's loading the game now, and we're gonna see. That's it guys, here you go guys. I just have the create character page here to create my new account. So that's it. It was very amazing way that you can create your account without losing data, but we'll check for the other account also. But let me show you one small tutorial of the game. Let me finish it. So time to go back to check for our other account, other game here on our Android device, and let me open that game also here on this menu. Where is that? Yeah, this is Mobile Legend Bang Bang. I'm going to open this here on my Android device. And yes, we're gonna close the advertisement here on the game, and as you can see this is my main account, but I have my Smurf account also on this Android device. So one more time I'm going to check for my Smurf account. Just go back to application and open the Mobile Legend from here. So let me open it. You know guys, we didn't finish the tutorial mode, and it will come from tutorial mode to start our new account. So let me see. Boom, that's it guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friends, and if you like the video don't forget to hit the like button, and see you until next quick tutorial videos. Bye bye. Wow.